Hi, I'm Christine. I'm a commercial real estate broker with RE/MAX in Seattle, Washington, and I'm an RPost user. I believe it's imperative in my industry to track all my documents using RPost, registered email, to protect my clients. Recently, I was on a trip out of the country, and before I left on the trip, I had faxed out a few documents that needed to be received by midnight on that same date, and I had not heard back from the other broker that they had received the documents. So when I arrived in Belize, I had not so good phone service, so I was able to get on my laptop and resend the documents through RPost registered email and track the document. And in fact, I received a receipt from RPost showing that the broker did in fact receive the document and open it, and it was time-stamped to show exactly what time they received it, which was important in protecting my client. One other example is on that same trip, I had some clients that needed assistance, and I needed to refer these clients to another broker. And I had to have the broker sign an NDA. So I needed a signed document, and I needed to sign the document as well. And I was able to do that right on my laptop and send the document and receive it back from the broker, signed legal document. It was fine with the lawyers, and so the lawyers approved it, and I was able to protect my position in that transaction. I will continue to use RPost and registered email, and I would highly recommend it for anyone that needs to track their documents or have legal proof of delivery.